Hi everybody, welcome to a live virtual treat here at Bio 2022 in San Diego. It's day one of the exhibition. I'm delighted to be joined by Patrick Lansky from Yposkesi, and I've been practicing that, so I hope I got that
well done.
Right. And we can find out a bit more about Yposkesi and what they're doing here at Bio 2022. Before we do that, we'll find out a bit more about the company. But Patrick, it's lovely to see you first of all. How are you?
I'm well, how are you?
I'm very well actually. Last time you and I saw each other in person was in Barcelona only a few weeks ago actually.
That's right, Meeting on the Med. It was a great show put on by Alliance for Regenerative Medicine.
Yeah, well, we gave them a bit of a plug there.
That's
they'll be happy.
They earned it.
They did. Now, people are not familiar with Yposkesi. Can you give me a quick overview of the business?
Yeah, so we're a contract manufacturer of viral vectors. We focus on AAV and Lenti, and we've been in existence since 2016. And lots of exciting things going on with the company. We are really focused on our new suspension platforms for both AAV and Lenti.
Brilliant. Now, obviously, we're going to talk about why you're here, but before we do that, obviously a lot of things happened since the last Bio, which was in Philly in 2019.
Quite a bit.
How has the company changed since the pandemic?
Well, pretty significantly, actually. So in March of last year, we acquired a new majority shareholder in SK Farmteco, which has been a great partner to help us advance the things that we're doing and really support us in growing, as well as just the growth that we've seen over the last year has been. The last 2 years has been significant. So we're also building a new facility, a new commercial scale facility that will be operational in Q4 of next year. So we're really looking forward to that.
Fantastic. Now, this week here in San Diego, what are you talking to delegates about specifically?
Specifically about the programs they're working on, how we can help facilitate moving those programs forward with the capacity that we have and the capabilities that we have. We're a very innovative company, so I think we can be of great help to them in that area.
And one question I want to ask you is that obviously there are a lot of companies, CDMOs, in the cell and gene therapy space now. What makes you unique?
I think it's our innovation. So we were born out of Genathon, and so I think we've kept that innovation going, even though we're separate from Genathon now. So we try to stay on the cutting edge of new technologies. Rather than just manufacturing material, we're really looking to stay current on new technologies and implement them into our programs to help our customers.
Fantastic. Now, if people are here, how can they find you?
Well, we are at booth 2922. We're part of the French pavilion here at Bio, so being a French company, that made sense to be part of that. So yeah, come on by and say hello.
Brilliant. And if people can't see you here at Bio, what other events are you going to be at in the future?
We have a full slate of conferences for the second half of the year. I think the next one coming up is Facilitate in London in late August, but we'll be at pretty much all the gene and cell therapy conferences that are taking place later this year.
Brilliant. And if people can't see you in person, where else can they get more information?
You can certainly check out our website, which has a lot of information on it, as well as our LinkedIn page, and that's www.yposkesi.com.
Thank you for pronouncing it for me. I'll remember that.
That's the first question I always get.
Well, Patrick, thank you very much. Lovely to see you again, actually.
Thank you. Good to see you as well.
Fantastic week here in San Diego. So there you go, viewers. If you're here at Bio this week, check out the Yposkesi booth. It's at 2922. I just had to
2922. That's right.
If you can't make it, you can meet the team at the upcoming Facilitate event, which is going to be in London in August, and many other events I know. And if you can't do that, obviously you can check them out on LinkedIn and their website. So Patrick, enjoy the rest of the week. And viewers, thank you very much. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you.